Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. How are you all? Hope you're fine and good and enjoying good health. Okay, I think all of you have bought your new books, workbooks and notebooks. So, welcome to your English class. I am your English teacher, Ms. Riveria, and today we are going to start our grammar unit, that is now. So first of all, there is a moral lesson for you, that is don't waste water. It means if you waste water, there will be a shortage of water. So it will be a more difficulty for us. So that's why keep it in your mind, don't waste water. Now come towards our topic, that is noun. First of all, what is noun? Noun is a naming word. Again, noun is a naming word, or noun is a name of person, place or thing. Noun is a naming word means the name of each and everything around us. हर चीज़ का नाम noun है, हर चीज़ noun है. And the definition of noun is a name of person, place or thing. Person means every person around you. They will be your father, mother, your brother and sister, your teacher, your grandparents. In fact, you, हम खुद भी noun हैं. Clear? And place, each and every place. It may include any mosque, any historical place, your house, your school, any park. These all are the places, and these are noun. Or things. Things means each and everything around you. In your house, each and everything is a noun. In your school, each and everything is a noun. So noun is the name of person, place or thing. It means all the name of the persons, all the name of the places and all the things. These all are noun. So noun is a naming word, or noun is a name of person, place or thing. Now come towards person. The examples of person are Quaid-e-Azam, Ali or name of any boy. सिर्फ अली नहीं, हर बॉय का नाम, हर मेल का नाम is a noun. And Sarah or a name of any girl, किसी भी लड़की का नाम, the name of your mother, the name of your sister, these all are noun. Your father, mother, your teacher and you, these all are the examples of noun. So in person, we discuss only few examples, that are Quaid-e-Azam, Ali or name of any boy, Sarah or name of any girl, your father, your mother, your teacher and you. You are also a noun. Okay, you are a person, so it means you are also a noun. Now come towards place. So the examples of place are Sargodha, Lahore, Karachi. These are the name of cities of Pakistan. Snai school, our beloved school. Your home, our country. These all are the examples of noun. So it means all the places, means all the parks, all the mosques, all the historical places. These all are the examples of noun. So now come towards the examples of things. The things are table, chair, pen, pencil, book, cell phone. These are few examples, but there are a lot of things around you. In your bedroom, there are so many things, and each and every that thing is a noun. So all the things, it means noun is a name of all the person, all the places and all the things. Clear? Now there are some more examples of noun, that every name we call a noun. मतलब हर नाम हमारे पास noun है. Every name we call a noun. The first picture is a rose. A rose is a plant, so it means all the plants are noun. All the plants are noun. A doll. Doll is a toy. So it means your all toys are also noun. All plants are noun and your all toys are nouns. All non-living things are noun. Clear? A hen. A hen is a bird. So it means all the birds, all the animals are also noun. And there is a crown, it is a thing. So it means all the things are also noun. Now there are some more examples which include person, place, thing, animal. The persons are Maria, Ali, John, Scarlett, Iqbal. And the examples of place are now park, school, Asia, Lahore, village. And the examples of thing are table, pen, book, phone, fan, and so many other things also. Okay. And the examples of animal are cat, goat, lion, parrot, dog. In this column there are some birds and there are some animals. So it means the name of every person, the name of every place, the name of everything, and the name of all the animals, all the birds, all the plants. These all are noun. So there are some noun worksheets for you, and the first worksheet I have done for you. The question is read the sentences and circle the nouns. There are 10 sentences given below and all the sentences contain 2 or 3 nouns. So we have to find them. The first sentence is Sophia, Mary and Samantha took the bus. Now Sophia, Mary and Samantha. These are the names of the girls. These are names of the girls and the bus is a thing. So in this sentence there are 4 nouns that are Sophia, Mary, Samantha and bus. The second one is Peter is eating a banana. Peter is a name of a boy and banana is a fruit. So from this sentence it is clear that all the fruits are also noun. Yes. The next one, Michael painted a pretty picture. Michael is a name of a boy and there is a picture. Picture is a thing. So in this sentence there are 2 nouns that are Michael and picture. The fourth one is Andrew flew a kite in the park. Andrew is a name of a boy, kite is a thing and park is a name of a place. So in this sentence there are 3 nouns that are Andrew, kite and park. The fifth one is Jack played the guitar. Jack is a name of a boy and guitar is a musical instrument. So Jack and guitar are noun. The sixth one is my brother rode his bicycle to the park. So brother is a person, bicycle is a thing, park is a place. So these all are noun. The seventh one is the apple fell off the tree. Apple is a fruit and tree is a plant. So it means these both are noun. Number 8. Will you peel the potatoes for me? Potatoes are vegetable. So it means they are noun. The dogs live in a kennel. Kennel is the home of the dog. So it is a place. That's why we circle it. So in this sentence, dogs and kennel, these both are noun. My mother tells me a story before I go to bed. So in this sentence, mother is a person, story is a thing and bed is a thing. So there are 3 nouns in this sentence. Clear? The next one is for your homework. So there is a box given at the end of this page and there are some nouns which include people, places and things, and the 3 columns are given that are people, places and things, and you have to separate these nouns according to given column. Clear? So I am going to read out all the names that are grandma, country, tree, teacher, rock, baby, pencil, woman, cloud, store, state, singer, water, city, book, office, policeman and playground. These are some nouns and you have to separate them according to given columns. that if you think there are some people, you have to write them in the people column, and the places you have to write them in the places column, and the things you have to write them in the things column. Clear? So there is a diary for you. Learn the definition of noun and revise the concept and practice with example. You have to practice more and more worksheets on your rough notebook and learn the definition of noun also. Clear?